And then Daddy knows who's the older sister.
The older one.
So I only carry this.
Very heavy.
What is that? Have grass.
Uy, inis na ba? Bukat, ani? Very hot already?
That's why I'm thinking why we so early.
Oh, the sun is already up, you see?
It's under. So every Thursday I need to throw rubbish from there. It's in the park. It's a very quiet place. It is very nice. It's like I'm looking for Doraemon because it's like a Doraemon place. It's a typical Japanese old village. And I think everyone here must have a car because it's quite far from the supermarket, the train station. You need to ride bus to go there. So everyone has a car here.